If you're a growth marketer, social media manager, or advertiser struggling with account bans due to browser fingerprinting, Logii Anti-Detect Browser is your ultimate solution. This powerful multi-login browser lets you create unlimited profiles, allowing you to log into multiple accounts simultaneously across platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest, without getting banned or locked out. It provides advanced anti-browser fingerprinting features and supports proxy integration so you can control your IP, location, and device identity for each profile, making your browsing sessions appear completely separate and secure. Logii also lets you share browser profiles easily with teammates without sharing passwords or OTPs, improving collaboration and workflow. Running on both Mac and PC, it comes with 24/6 chat support and lifetime updates at a one-time price of $99. If you want to scale your multi-account marketing safely and efficiently, don't miss out. Grab the lifetime deal via the purchase link in the description below.